Hi there. I was looking over questions coming from my group coaching members, and there was this one question we spent a lot of time on because this issue causes a lot of angst among fundraisers. The question is, how do I make successful get to know you donor calls, especially when I hate making phone calls? It's a great question because not everyone likes to make phone calls. Not everyone is inclined to reach for the phone. It's much easier to send an email. But there's one problem with always sending emails. It's often harder to connect on a personal level. We can't read the interest or passions in a person's voice. We can't hear their inflection and emphasis. We can't answer questions a donor has about a program they are interested in. And emojis don't always get it. Reaching out to donors between your ask is a critical part of the relationship building process. Connecting with donors on a personal level is especially what brings success with large gift fundraising, with bringing in the big fish. It's also easy to hide behind emails. Sending emails seems safer because you are less vulnerable if a conversation doesn't go well. Donor calls are unpredictable. We want to guarantee that a donor conversation will go well, right? So what if I told you I had sample scripts to share with you? What if I told you I have a 6-step process to share with you that guides you in making discovery calls with current and potential big gift donors? Well, I've created a new workshop to show you quick and doable strategies on how to have meaningful conversations with donors. And the best part, it's free. So all you need to do is get signed up right away. Join me live to learn the secrets to making successful donor get to know you calls. Just click the link here and join me in the conversation. I look forward to seeing you then.